Today on Moto 3L1, we're going to be installing the Motion Pro fork bleeders for the WP AER air fork. This is a really handy upgrade for all of us who are running the newer air fork. Between motos, it's often a pain to bleed our forks because we have to get a 10mm wrench for the one side and a T20 Torx for the other to remove the screws and bleed the forks. With the installation of the Motion Pro, we will be able to bleed the forks with just a push of a button. First of all, we'll need to get some tools to do this install. We will need a 10mm socket with a wrench or T-handle and a T20 Torx that will also fit the same wrench or T-handle, and a regular screwdriver that fits the slots on the top of the Motion Pro bleeder. This will allow us to tighten the bleeder down and also remove it when we need to later on. So the first step, starting on the air pressure side, is we're going to remove the 10mm bleeder bolt, and we're going to set that aside and get our Motion Pro bleeder, and we will screw that in. I'm using my bare hands to fit in because it's kind of tight to get it started, and once I have it snugged down by hand, I will then use the regular bladed screwdriver to finish tightening it. And now we're going to go on to the compression adjuster side. This side has the T20 Torx screw, and we will remove that, and then in its place we will put the Motion Pro bleeder in. I will use the Motion Pro bleeder that has the smaller screw on the compression adjuster side. Again, I will tighten it down by hand, and after I have it tightened down by hand, I'm going to use the regular screwdriver to finish tightening it up. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell. That'll let you know the next time I come out with a new video. Thank you very much.